From epic crashes to high-stakes chases across America, these reckless drivers defy the law and fate and lose it all. Expect crashes, precision immobilization technique maneuvers, and the thunder of roaring engines that will keep your adrenaline pumping. Let's get it on. Takementi crash bang text. Everyone survived.
Jail! You're going to fucking jail! Oh my god. Fuck, I did nothing to him. Look at this piece of shit.
The driver was driving while drowsy and caused an accident. Luckily, they are all okay.
What are you, nuts? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? This is the guy's playing up.
He may be a street fighter, but this makes him stupid. Luckily, the man in the car is okay, but surely the police will help him get justice. Running a red light caused the driver to cause a terrible accident. Maybe after this incident, he will never run a red light again. Maybe she needs to be banned from driving for a long time, because other drivers will be very unhappy if they continue to see her. On the 14th of October 2021, suspect Nigel Andrews, accused of murder, drove a 2019 black Nissan Altima that he had stolen from the victim and led police on a high-speed chase. The chase ended when police used a precision immobilization technique to stop the car. Andrews immediately abandoned the car and fled, but was shot with a taser in return. He was taken to Atlanta Police Headquarters, where he confronted the hitman for money and resisted law enforcement. When you go out on the street and meet superior people like this, it's a shame you had a bad day. But it's okay. Submit this evidence to the police, and you'll show them how scary breaking the law is. The sheriff's car failed to activate its emergency equipment, causing the accident. Although no one was injured, the sheriff was later suspended.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh!
When the weather is bad, you should limit driving on the road, and above all, drive very slowly.
It's gotta be a cheating. Oh gosh. Oh, she's reporting her. She seems really violent and aggressive. No. Oh! She's insane. Oh, she's
Just because she thought the car was blocking her and her friend's way, they took such extreme actions. Keep calm in public, because most likely the place they face next is jail.
Look at this. Like, that's not gonna come off. And she thought
Oh.
it was her boyfriend or something?
Ты посмотри.
Sad that they even messed with the ambulance driver, who should have banned them from the hospital afterwards.
Ты посмотри, как вылезли все на скорую, да, смотри.
On the 7th of March 2024, a stolen white Ford Fusion led police on a chase after it ignored a command to stop. The chase ended on Interstate 20, where police used 2 precision immobilization techniques to stop the vehicle. The suspect, Juwan Jackson, was taken into custody with the help of a police drone. He was charged with felony fleeing, reckless driving, obstruction, and other traffic violations.
Another pit. There was only one person in the car, right? Yeah. I didn't see anybody else do that. I wasn't going to leave you alone. Oh, no, you good. He didn't come this way. I just jumped down this way.
Oh, you on the phone with them now? Check, see where they at now.
On the 12th of October 2024, in Georgia, the suspect fled at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour after ignoring a police command to stop. The pursuit ended when police used a precision immobilization technique to stop the car. The driver was arrested with 2 pounds of suspected marijuana and more than $5,000 in cash. He was taken for medical evaluation shortly after.
Pit. Milepost 1, copy. Milepost 1, roll over, go ahead and send EMS.
Clear on pit, roll over, sending EMS.
Look out these fields. I didn't see it. Don't notify me.
Huh? Off phone.